Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup pasta at home. We will start by gathering all the essential ingredients. You'll need your favorite small pasta, like ditalini or orzo, and a good quality broth. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions, along with olive oil, garlic, and your preferred herbs and spices. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely diced onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté these aromatic vegetables for approximately 5 to 7 minutes until they become nicely softened. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful fragrance. With our flavor base established, it's time to add the liquid and pasta. Carefully pour in about 6 cups of your favorite broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once simmering, add 1 cup of your small pasta directly into the pot. Cook the pasta according to the package directions, which is typically around 8 to 10 minutes, remembering to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. This ensures perfectly cooked pasta. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches to your delicious soup pasta. Season the soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs, such as parsley or basil, to taste. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the soup to rest for a few minutes. This helps the flavors meld beautifully. Serve your warm, comforting soup pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.